Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about the derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have y equals to ABC. So if we do first derivative, that should be like this. So we can apply the formula in here. So first derivative of x to the power of 4, that is about 4x to the power of 3. This one that is about cosine x. This one that is about secant of x squared. So I will put this one gone here. And this one gone here. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.